Major, what are we doing today? We getting the tractor out to go snow plowing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get over there. So the battery was low, so we had to throw the charger on it, get it all powered up here. So hopefully it'll fire up now. Yep, you can set the loader inside. Get him over there. Alright, let's hook it up. right. All right, look out. I don't know what was going on. This was the hardest time just trying to put this thing on because it was frozen in the ground. And then all of a sudden my PTO stopped working. It wouldn't release the back blade to lower it. So I'm thinking it was just because it was so cold that the fluids inside, there might have been some water in there and it just froze up. But eventually, after jumping up and down on it and moving it back and forth, I finally got it to loosen up and was able to use it. Okay, so that was the tough one on this. The front was okay, but this side, there was so much ice, it was actually taking the blade and it was turning it like almost straight. So I had to keep skimming it, and then finally it got down to the bottom. So I just had to work it slowly. I thought I was gonna be able to just go right through it, but there was just too much ice and it was too heavy and it was getting me stuck. So got it all cleared out now. You can see there's still a sheet of ice right above the gravel here, but at least that's all cleared out now, and hopefully the sun will start hitting it, it'll start melting down. Got the majority of it out of there. We got a path over to the barn now to feed the animals and stuff. And hey Major, do you have fun on the tractor? Do you have fun on the tractor? Yeah. What are you doing, filling that with snow? Or are you making snowballs? All right, so a lot of ice, but did a good job doing this whole thing. So that driveway is all done now. I got a little bit in here that I'm gonna move. I gotta move the vehicles and stuff, but yeah, that tractor works pretty good. 1947 Ford 2N, still kicking, still doing a lot of stuff. Great tractors. So all right guys, hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual we'll see you on the next one. All right, and don't forget, hit that notification bell. All right, I'll see you guys around. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye Obo. Hi guys.